Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I want to try out these simple cleansing wipes. These are apparently UK's #1 facial wipes, and it also removes waterproof mascara. It has no artificial perfume or coloring, and it is very soft on your skin. So I thought I'll do this on camera. I picked these up at Tops. If you're if you live in Thailand, I just picked these up from Tops, and you get 25 wipes for, I think it was 169 baht, which is about $5 or so. So I've had my makeup on since morning. I don't have too much on today, but let's try and see how we remove whatever I do have on. So this is the wipe. It's not too wet, it's quite a thin cloth. So this is the wipe. I did get quite a bit of my makeup off, as you can see. I had a eyeliner on my waterline. My mascara seems to be pretty much off. These did not sting my eye. I mean, I went in with it quite a bit, like you could see in the video. And usually what happens if you try to remove your mascara or your eyeliner too much, the liquid in the wipes sometimes starts stinging your eyes, but this one did not sting my eyes at all. It's not burning or like there's no feeling. I do usually go in with a cleanser after this. This is my first step for removing makeup, and for the first use I'm quite happy. I don't know if I apply a lot, like if I do a more evening glam look, I might have to use 2 of these. I'm not too sure, but I mean, I could still use this a bit more. For now, I think it's a good wipe, and if you're looking for one, I wouldn't mind trying this out. Since before this, I've been using the Sephora wipes. And that was also very good, but I just thought I'll try something new out. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please do like, subscribe, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at makeupdiariesbysukrita. And that's all for now, guys. Till next time.